Monday, we had a very engaging and insightful session in the morning where we really delved into what it means to build trust with our teams, with our stakeholders. And I think that was a really great start to the week where we all really became introspective and trying to understand how we can collaborate much better. By Tuesday, we continued meeting one-on-one with founders who are very successful in the South African landscape, and they got to share a lot of insights with us on what they're building and how they've managed to grow very quickly. Wednesday, we also continue to work with our mentors to really build out the strategy for our businesses and how we can execute fast. Thursday and Friday was really exciting at the ACES event, where we got to meet a lot of other entrepreneurs, just have really good conversations, meet investors, and start to build some relationships with them. Friday was great because we had the opportunity to pitch our businesses in front of hundreds of investors and get feedback on them. We look forward to more Immersion events with the Madica team, with the rest of the portfolio companies, and to continue to build relationships in the ecosystem. So thank you, Madica.